Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Here's how I remove my makeup and clarify and cleanse my skin. The first thing I do is, of course, put my hair back with some clips. I use sweet almond oil to get all the makeup off of my face. This oil is amazing. I also use it for my hair. I rub it on my eyes and it is amazing for waterproof makeup. Then I take a really big cotton swab and just rub. The oil ensures that I'm not going to hurt my face whenever I rub it. And it is the best at taking off my mascara and my eyeliner. Up next, to clean my face, I use the Clinique 3-step system. I had a small gift box, so I'm using the small set right now. First, I use the liquid facial soap, and it's really mild. It feels amazing on my face, and I use my hands to rub that in. That's going to get into my pores and clean out the makeup that's sitting there. Then I dry my face, and I wash my face with that cleaner one more time. But this time, I use a scrubbing brush. This is going to get the makeup that's deep down in my pores so I don't get pimples overnight because I went to bed with like makeup and oily stuff in my pores. I love this spinning brush. I got it from Walmart for about $5. It's lasted me about a year and it gets these products into my skin the way I need it to. Up next in the 3-step system is the clarifying lotion. This stuff is not a toner. It is a clarifying lotion. So it's going to clean out my pores a little bit more and it's going to like exfoliate my skin and just really give it that glow. I really like this set. It is kind of expensive, but it is worth the investment. The last thing I do after I dry off my face is use the step 3, which is the dramatically different lotion that comes in the set. It has my face looking fabulous. My skin glows and it feels amazing. So that's it, guys. That is how I remove my makeup and keep my skin fresh and clear. Until next time, y'all have a good day.